Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an exciting video because this is a brand collab with Merit. Okay, so if you guys haven't heard of Merit, you can find them at Sephora. They are actually a newer brand, but they've been so successful that they finally made it into the Sephora stores. And so I'm so excited and thankful because Merit reached out to me and asked me if I could do a campaign for them, which is to help them launch the new line of lipsticks, their signature lip lightweight lipsticks. I had to really wait for the right time to announce this new launch, and I'm so excited that I can finally share it with you guys. So if you haven't heard, Merit is a clean brand at Sephora. So that means they believe in high quality ingredients. They are EU compliant, which just means that there's a lot of ingredients here in America that we use in makeup and skincare that aren't going to pass in Europe. So basically the makeup from Merit is free of toxins, it's paraben free, it's sulfate free, it is good for the planet because it's vegan and cruelty free, there are no artificial fragrances, and it's safe for sensitive skin. I have acne prone skin, and so I want my makeup to not make it worse. Merit was generous enough to send me a full face of makeup as well as a choice of 2 of their signature lip lightweight lipsticks. I have a full face of Merit makeup right now. What do you guys think? So if you want to see Merit in action and how to get this full face of makeup, then keep on watching. Okay guys, here's the box from Merit. I'm so excited to open this box. Actually, I've already looked. I kind of know what I want to do to plan for this video. The very first thing that I got from Merit is this card right here, right on top. And it basically says, lipstick you can live in. Signature lip, comfortable color, lightweight, buildable, satin finish, clean, cruelty free, and vegan. I can't wait to see their new lipstick line. Just launched late February, so you guys are going to be one of the first to know all about it. And yeah, and I just want to say thank you so much to Merit for collabing with me, entrusting me to help them introduce this new line. First thing I got from Merit is this nice makeup bag. Oh my gosh, so pretty. It's something that I've never had before. So it's a tie-on bag, and it has kind of like this corduroy texture, like suede kind of. So nice. In this makeup bag, it has the brand name and logo right there. It's so well made, like high quality, and the products are in here, guys. So I am going to try on all of the lipsticks and makeup products that I got from Merit. They were so generous at letting me choose 7 items to kind of do a full face, or at least almost a full face of makeup. I did a very simple eye look right now, and we're just gonna go ahead with the whole face makeup and complexion. Okay, first thing that I got, I already washed it, so that's why it's already out of the box. This is their blending brush. It's called N1 blending brush, and it's basically to help buff out the foundation because they do have a complexion foundation, which I can't wait to try. I love this blue packaging. It's such a nice shade of blue. It's very unique and very chic shade of blue, I feel like. So the brush is very soft. It's still a little damp, but I think it's good to go. It's very dense, but super soft. It's got the brand logo right there. I mean, wow. I got the Day Glow, which is the highlighter. I also have the blush. I got the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. So this is the one that we're gonna try all over my face. It's supposed to be a foundation and concealer in one, so we're gonna try it under my eyes. The thing with concealing dark circles, you have to have kind of like a pinky salmon shade to really cancel that darkness. So it's not about the pigmentation or how pigmented a product is. It just depends on the color. So it's kind of tricking the eye to make those under eye bags disappear. Then we got to choose 2 of the signature lipsticks. That is a new launch from them this year. And then I also got a brow product. So I already shaped my brows. All it needs is a brow gel. Okay, here's the complexion stick. Gorgeous. I wanted to try this so badly for you instead of a first impressions, but I had to take pictures. This is in the color Sand, and ooh, I think it's a little light for me. We'll see. Ah! It is. Well, it has to match my neck, so we'll see. I'm gonna put a little bit under the eyes. It feels very creamy right now. Bridge of my nose right there. And then under my chin where all of my imperfections are. So let's start with that. We can always add more and see how it spreads out. I have a moisturizer underneath. So let's see. It is blending very nicely, guys. Merit is all about minimalist makeup. I mean, that is the big thing about this brand. So if you are the type of person that doesn't put on a lot of makeup, I think this is for you. So accentuating the beauty of the face and eliminating those little flaws that we like to hide. I love this brush. It's so soft on the skin. I love that it's angled because then it helps get into the crevices. Okay, definitely light coverage. I'm gonna add some more, especially there. And just a little bit more. If you have dry skin, I feel like this is perfect for you. Normal to dry. Because I'm feeling a little bit of kind of heaviness on the skin, ever so slightly. So definitely light coverage. It just kind of put a nice veil over my face. As you can see, there's kind of like a sheen to it. So there's that natural glow coming through. But when I look on the mirror, it doesn't look dewy or wet. So it truly is looking natural on the skin. So I'm starting to love it. I'm gonna go ahead and add their blush. So this is the blush, and there's the blush. This is in the color Beverly Hills. Hopefully I picked a really nice blush. I actually swatched it already, but I love the dome's shape, and that is the color. So let's see. I remember getting this blush in my Ipsy bag. It was a little sample size one, and I remember liking it. I know I put it in one of my to-go bags. All right, so the blush color seems to be disappearing a little bit. Let's add some more. I like to have a thicker blush, honestly. So don't mind me. Okay, so there's the color. You know what? The blush color is very peachy nude. I am going to add a little bit of powder on my face because I do that anyway. I add powder anyway, regardless of what type of foundation I wear. It's just, that's the kind of finish that I like on my face. Let's try this again with this blush. I love the packaging. Did I show it to you guys up close? Like, wow. I love how natural everything is. Let's try the Day Glow highlighter. It's a highlighting balm. looks like this, and it's in white. How pretty is that? Look at that. White and gold lettering. This one is definitely a balm. I mean, it feels like a balm. I don't know if my skin is gonna like that. It's a day glow balm, so I think it's gonna give you kind of like that natural sheen on the face. So I'm gonna put it on the high points of my face, top of my nose. I love to put highlighter on my nose. Ooh. Gosh, it's so subtle, and yet it's there. It doesn't feel heavy at all, guys. I thought this would feel like, you know, super oily. But do you guys see that? I am just a glowing goddess. Look at that. I love this day glow. You know what this reminds me of? The Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. It has very little coverage, but it kind of perfects and just makes you look naturally glowy and like it's your skin, but better, you know? Look at that glow glow, as my friend Vanessa would say. Speaking of Vanessa, she also got a Merit package, and she got totally different things from mine. She has a different skin tone from mine. So if you want to see Merit in action with her type, her skin type, skin tone, definitely go check her out. I also have a few more girls who are getting this package as well. They're all my friends. Jessica from Jessica Myros, and also Jackie from Jackie Naturals. So they're gonna have their own version of Merit. I can't wait to see what type of lipstick colors they chose. We all have different skin tone, from light to medium to tan skin tone. So I think you guys are gonna get a variety. And if their videos are ready, I am definitely gonna link them down in the description box below. So definitely check that out. Let's go ahead and do the brow gel. I drew in my brows, and now all we need is to add the brow gel. Look how fancy this looks. Gold. It's in this little container. It's got the brand logo right there. And let's see the wand. Ooh, it looks really good. And I chose the color like black, dark black. This is called the Volumizing Pomade. Okay, I love that it's filling in the gaps on my brows. Definitely volumizing. I love that it's pulling up like the individual hairs on my brows. All right, guys, for the finale, let's open up their signature lipstick. So I got to choose 2 shades. Oh, the packaging though, it is gorgeous. There's the brand logo again at the bottom. I chose darker shades because I felt that they were kind of like a tint or a lip tint. So yes, I know this is a little bit too dark. This is in the color L'Avenue. L'Avenue. I don't know how to pronounce it. So that's the color right there. I did swatch it yesterday. I can't wait. I couldn't wait, okay? But I've never put it on my lips. So let's go ahead and try it. I don't know if on camera it's showing darker than usual, but in person, it definitely is a brown undertone, but it has that redness to it. And it took a couple of swipes for it to show. So that is the color L'Avenue. I was afraid it was going to be like too brown and like grungy brown, but it's not, guys. If you see this in person on me, it's very natural, like a deep nude, but it's perfect for my skin tone. So this is definitely like an everyday lip. I should warn you that when I swatched these lippies on my hand the other day, they kind of stained my hand, which in a way is a good thing. It's gonna leave a really nice pigment at the end of the day, I feel like. All right, So the other color that I picked, I was thinking summer, spring. Looks so nice, so heavy. And I got this color. I should swatch them for you side by side. So this is the lighter one. This is the darker one right here. Can't wait to try it. All right. What do you guys think? So this one definitely looks more orangey. This is how long a full-size bullet looks like. I don't know that this lip color goes with this eye look, so I might change back to the other one. Okay. Those are the two signature lightweight lipsticks. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about the brand Merit? They definitely stand by that minimalist makeup look. This is definitely perfect for like on the go, going to work, everyday makeup, guys. If I were to choose, I think my favorite would have to be the lipsticks for sure. I think my favorite is the Day Glow, guys. This one. The more I look at my skin, that highlighter looks so natural on me, like it's my own natural glow. So I love the glow from this. I also love the brow gel. I love how it just individually combs your brow hairs and it just straightens it out. So I really like that about it. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my initial first impression review of Merit. I also want to thank Merit for including me in this campaign. I do have an affiliate link, so that would definitely help me out in case you want to buy your Merit products. I will link my affiliate link in the description box below. Yeah, with that said, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxings here and there. Comment down below, what is your favorite Merit product? Did you like it? Are you gonna get one for yourself? Let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions about the products that I've tried, just let me know and I'll try my best to reply back to you. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.